Are you new to dividend investing, or have you been into it for a while and you're looking to add some more positions to your dividend portfolio? In this video, I have 32 different stocks that I'm going to list that have an ex-dividend date in the month of February 2022. Greetings, and thank you for tuning into my video. My name is Troy Thomas. First off, I need to mention that I am not licensed to give financial information, so any info that I put out in this video is meant just as a stepping stone for you to go and do your own research before investing any of your personal money. Now, if you are brand new to investing, or dividend investing that is, please keep in mind that if you want to invest in dividend stocks and collect a dividend for that round, you must own the dividend stock on or before the day before the ex-dividend date. For example, if the ex-dividend date is on the 13th of the month, you must own that stock on the 12th or before in order to collect any payout in the next round. Now, if you're brand new to investing and you're looking for a brokerage, there's three that I would recommend. The first is Fidelity. This is where I have most of my investments at. The next two are probably the easiest to use. First of which is Robinhood. You've probably heard of them before, but they, in my opinion, are the very easiest to get set up and start using right away. Webull is also a very good platform to use, and I have some investments there as well. So with that being said, let's jump into the topic of this video, which is stocks that have an ex-dividend date in the month of February 2022. All of the research that I did for this video is based on numbers during the market day from Monday, January 31st. Now, of course, the numbers and percentages are going to be probably quite a bit different from the time I put this video out and the time that you see it and go and do your own research. Hopefully they're better numbers when you go and do your research. And as I already mentioned a few times, I have 32 stocks in the month of February to talk about. Now, of course, there are plenty more stocks that have ex-dividend date in the month of February. However, I went through and I picked out 32 different stocks, and all of these stocks have a moderate or strong buy rating through tipranks.com. Now, tipranks.com is not a sponsor. It's just one of the places where I go and get some of my information. So with that being said, I'm going to try to keep this video short. I'm going to try to go through the stocks pretty quick and not ramble on too much. So let's jump into it. So the first one here is Valero Energy, ticker symbol VLO. Its price was $81.55, and that is an increase of 45% from a year ago. Its ex-dividend date is on February 2nd, and it pays a 98-cent dividend per share. TipRanks has this as a strong buy, 19% upside potential, possibly at $96.67 a year from now. Moving on to number 2, we have DCP Midstream, ticker DCP. Its price was at $28.62, which was a 39% increase from a year ago. Its ex-dividend date is on February 3rd, and it pays a dividend of 39 cents per share. Now, most of these I'm probably not going to talk about how much the yield is unless it's a good one like this one. This one's 5.48%, pretty good yield. TipRanks has DC Midstream as a strong buy, 30% upside potential at a price target of $37.30. Moving on to Weston Holdings, ticker LW. $63.94 was its price, which is actually a downturn of 14%. It also has ex-dividend date on February 3rd. It pays a dividend of 24.5 cents per share. It is a strong buy, 21% upside at $77.20. Up next is MPLX, which is the same as the ticker symbol. Its price was $32.70, 39% increase from a year ago. Also an ex-dividend of February 3rd. It has a high yield percentage at 10.38. Its dividend payout is 70.5 cents per share. TipRanks has this as a strong buy, and it still has an 11% upside potential, price target of $36.72. Moving on to Next Energy Partners, ticker NEP. Its price was a little under $74, which is down about 9% from a year ago. Pays a dividend just under 71 cents. It is a moderate buy through TipRanks, 24% upside potential still though, and its price target is $91.60. On to Pinnacle Financial now, ticker PNFP. Its share price was a little over $94 and it's increased about 39% from a year ago. Also, ex-dividend of February 3rd. It pays 22 cents per share. It is a strong buy, 35% upside potential with a price target of $127.50. All right, up next is Wells Fargo, ticker WFC. Its share price was a little over $53. It's increased actually 78% since a year ago. Now, its yield is only about 1.38% and it pays 25 cents per share dividend. TipRanks has this as a strong buy and it still has a 14% upside potential, price target of $60.88. Up next is MetLife, ticker MET. Its share price was $66.19. It's an increase of 37% from a year ago. Its ex-dividend is on February 7th and it pays a 48-cent dividend. TipRanks has this as a strong buy, 13% upside potential, a little under $75 price target from a year from now. Moving on to MDC Holdings, a little under $50 for this stock right now. It's down about 6% from a year ago. Ex-dividend date on February 8th. It pays a 50-cent dividend and its yield is 3.72, which is pretty good. It is a moderate buy through TipRanks, 27% upside potential, target price of a little under $63. Up next, we have AEP, American Electric Power. Its share price is at $89.50. It's up 10% from a year ago. Ex-dividend on February 9th. It pays 3.37% yield, which is 78 cents per share. TipRanks has this as a strong buy, 14% upside potential, $102.20 is the price target. Another one with the next dividend date of February 9th is TJX, $71.56. It's up 11% from a year ago. It pays 26 cents per share. It's listed as a strong buy, 22% upside potential, price target of a little over $87. Let's keep chugging along and take a look at Oshkosh, ticker OSK. Its share price was $112, 21% increase from a year ago. It has an ex-dividend date on February 10th. It pays 37 cents per share and it's a strong buy, 21% upside potential with a price target of $135. Up next is Parker Hannifin, ticker PH. Its share price was a little over $300. It's a 16% increase from a year ago, also on February 10th for a next dividend date. It pays $1.03 per share dividend, and TipRanks analysts list this as a moderate buy, 20% upside potential, with a price target of $368.42. Moving on to Starbucks, ticker SBUX. Its share price is at $97.68. It's only a 1% increase from a year ago. Also, ex-dividend date on February 10th, pays 49 cents per share. TipRanks has this as a moderate buy, 28% upside potential, price target of $124.73. Moving along, we have Visa, ticker symbol V. Its share price was a little over $225. It's a 15% increase from a year ago. Ex-dividend date also on February 10th, pays 37.5 cents per share. The analysts have this as a strong buy, 21% upside potential with a price target of just over $274. Mine Safety Appliances, ticker symbol MSA, $134.34 is its current price. Decreased about 14% from a year ago. February 11th is the ex-dividend date. Pays 44 cents per share. It's a moderate buy, 24% upside potential. Price target $166.50. Up next is Centas Corporation, CTAS. $390 is its current price. 22% increase from a year ago. Its ex-dividend date is February 14th. It pays 95 cents per share. TipRanks has this as a strong buy, 20% upside potential, $468 price target 12 months from now. Moving on to February 15th, we have Chevron Corporation, ticker CVX. $131 is its current price. It's increased 51% from a year ago. Now this is one that I like. I have this in my portfolio. It has a yield of 4.16% and it pays $1.42 per share. TipRanks says this is a strong buy. It still has an 8% upside potential. Price target of just over $141. Marathon Petroleum is up next. MPC. Its current price is a little over $71. It's increased 64% in the last year. Ex-dividend date on February 15th. 3.23% yield, 58 cents per share it pays out. Strong buy, 12% upside potential, little under $80 a year from now. Target is up next. TGT. Current price is $219.27. It's increased 21% in the last year. Ex-dividend date also on February 15th. Pays 90 cents per share. Moderate buy, 27% upside potential, $278.61 is the price target. Up next we have Discover Financial Services, DFS. Current price is about $114, 36% increase from a year ago. Its ex-dividend date is on February 16th, pays 50 cents per share. It's a moderate buy, 24% upside potential, price target of $142.42. Here's another one in my portfolio, Microsoft Corporation, MSFT. Its current price is a little under $310, has an ex-dividend date on February 16th. It only pays a 0.77% yield, but it pays 62-cent dividend, and it's a strong buy, 21% upside potential, price target of $373.92. Moving down to February 17th, we have HCI Group. HCI is the ticker symbol. It's a little under $67 right now. It's an increase of about 19% in the last year. Pays 40 cents per share, and it's moderate buy, 46% upside potential, $97.50 is the price target. Also on the 17th, we have TEL, which is TE Connectivity. Its current share price is $142.57, about a 17% increase, pays 50 cents per share. It's a strong buy, 23% upside potential, and a target price of $176. Applied Materials is up next, ticker symbol AMAT. Its share price is $136. It's up about 37% from a year ago. Has an ex-dividend on February 22nd. It pays 24 cents per share. It's a strong buy, 33% upside potential, $180.94 is the price target. The next stock we'll talk about is Scotts Miracle-Gro, ticker symbol SMG. Its share price is a little under $150. It's actually decreased about 33% in the past year. Has an ex-dividend date on February 23rd. Pays 66 cents per share. It's a strong buy with a 31% upside potential, so pretty close to about where it was a year ago is what they're saying it's going to be a year from now. Its price target is $194.33. Fortune Brands is up next. It has a ticker of FBHS. Its current price is a little over $93. It's increased only about 6% in the past year. Ex-dividend date on February 24th, pays 28 cents per share. It's a moderate buy, 26% upside potential, price target $117.50. J is the next ticker symbol, which is for Jacobs Engineering Group. Its current price is $129. It's increased about 27%. February 24th is the ex-dividend date. Dividend payout of 23 cents per share. It's a moderate buy, 30% upside potential, price target of $167.20. One Gas is next, OGS. Its current price is a little under $77. It's increased about 6% in the past year. Ex-dividend date on February 24th. It pays 62 cents per share. It's a strong buy, 6% upside potential, $81.25 is the price target. Moving along to Ashland Global Holdings. Its ticker symbol is ASH. It's a little over $95 right now, 18% increase from a year ago. February 28th is the ex-dividend date, and it pays 30 cents per share. It's a moderate buy, 26% upside potential, $120.30 is the price target. Out of all the stocks I list in this video, I have 3 of them in my portfolio, and this is the third right here, which is McDonald's, ticker symbol MCD. Its current price is about $257. It's increased about 24% in the past year. Also, February 28th dividend date, pays $1.38 per share. It's a strong buy, still has a 12% upside potential, and its target price is $288.95. All right, and now we have the last one on the list, also on February 28th, is Polaris. PII is the ticker symbol, and its current price is a little over $110. It's actually had a 5% decrease in the past year. It pays 64 cents per share. It's a moderate buy, 28% upside potential with a price target of $140.86. So that was a quick look at 32 different stocks that have an ex-dividend date in the month of February 2022. Did you see any that you think you might look into further? Let me know in the comments below which ones you think you might add to your own portfolio. Remember, do your research before investing any of your personal money though. Hey, if you get any value out of this video, please consider hitting that thumbs up button for me. It really helps grow the channel and I would appreciate it. Also, consider subscribing to the channel. That way you can come back and watch more content that I put out in the future. If you are new to my channel, please say hi in the comments section below and let me know where you're watching from. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate you watching until the very end of the video. But until next time, have a great day.